I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2010 Land Rover Freelander. So from any screen, we just touch the navigation there. You've got to agree that you're not going to get distracted, and up the top there the menu comes out: destination entry, address, points of interest and postcode. Postcode's the easy, oops, of course, I'll just go back there because my big Mars bar fingers clicked the wrong one. So postcode, we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Preston, PR5, then we need a space, 4JS, click OK. So if you've only got 2 numbers in your postcode, you need to put a space in the middle. Destination, we have to click destination. Destination is nearby, please check the map. That's it. And the reason it's saying we're sat on the forecourt here, so it's thinking I'm an idiot. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2010 Land Rover Freelander. First of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom here. But if you go over hands-free, it's already shown up, Land Rover. It's already looking for a mobile. Now in Land Rovers, the pin code, the early ones, is 2121. So we'll just put that in and then pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow Land Rover. That's it. It's connected. From any screen, we just click menu, and it's bringing up. It's on the phone menu there. Missed calls, receive, phone book, Bluetooth, phone settings. So we want to go to Bluetooth. Select Bluetooth by pressing the button, and then you've got connect phone and remove phone. Remove phone. That one's highlighted. Just click on that. Do you really want to remove Andrea's phone? Yes and no. So yes, and there, that's my phone. Select remove. Do you want to remove it? Yes. If you don't want to remove it, if you've made a mistake, you press exit there. Otherwise, you just press the button here. Do you really want to remove it? Yes. That's it done.